Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clem with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about designing a floor with laminate flooring. Now when it comes to designing the floor, you have to first of all think, where is this floor going? Is it going to a laundry room, a kitchen, a dining room, a bathroom? This is very important because a lot of the laminate floorings actually swell up when they come into contact with moisture. Here we have just a normal laminate floor. It comes in a variety of colors and wood grains. So here we just have a light and a dark. Problem with this is when it comes in contact with moisture, your seams will actually swell up and the top laminate coating will actually come off. This here is a peel and stick laminate flooring. It's about 1/4 inch thick. This can actually come into contact with water and not bubble up, but what it will do is actually cause it to peel up from the floor because it's just a stick adhesive. For a bathroom or a laundry room, even kitchens, I like this floor right here. It's actually made of plastic and it's 100% waterproof. Comes pre-padded on the back, and instead of interlocking, they do a top lock, which means you just set it down, it snaps right in. They're a lot easier to replace if any damage comes into contact with this laminate flooring. When designing the floor for your laminate flooring, you want to make sure you get the right product for your particular job. I'm Joshua Clem with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about designing a floor with laminate flooring. Thank you all for watching. Good luck with this project.